In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the video editor in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt Suite homepage. This is your central hub, and it's where you'll access the tools we need. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Media. Media is your library. It's where OpenArt keeps your previously added files and organizes them so you don't have to hunt through folders. From here, choose the video you want to work on. Use the preview thumbnail to confirm you've got the right clip, especially if you maintain multiple versions or cuts. With the video selected, click Modify Video. This opens the editor workspace tailored for AI-powered adjustments and exposes the controls we'll use for the rest of the workflow. Next, choose the model. In OpenArt, a model is the engine that interprets your instructions and applies changes. Some are tuned for stylistic looks, others for cleanup or motion-aware edits. If you're unsure, start with a balanced, general-purpose model. You can always come back and switch if the results aren't what you expected. Now describe how you want to edit the video. Use clear, directive language the way you'd brief an editor. Mention what to change, where, and how strong the effect should be. For example, trim the first 2 seconds, brighten midtones slightly, enhance sharpness on faces, keep natural colors, stabilize handheld shake, and add gentle cinematic contrast. Time ranges and visual targets help the model focus. Avoid vague phrases. Instead of make it better, specify reduce noise in low light shots or warm the overall white balance slightly. Then choose the output. This controls the final format. Pick the resolution and aspect ratio that matches where the video will live, like vertical for social stories or standard widescreen for web players. If you're matching existing footage, keep the frame rate consistent to prevent motion artifacts. Higher resolutions look great, but increase render time and file size. Choose what's appropriate for your needs. When everything looks set, click Generate. OpenArt will process your request and apply the edits using the model you selected. Processing times vary with clip length, resolution, and complexity, so give it a moment. When the render completes, your updated version appears alongside the original in the project, making it easy to compare and decide if you want to refine anything. If a tweak is needed, adjust your description, switch models if necessary, or update the output settings, then generate again until you're happy. That's all you need to confidently navigate the OpenArt video editor, from finding your media to guiding the AI and producing the exact output you want.